Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Open Premiere Pro and import your footage into a sequence that matches frame rate and resolution. Once done, switch to the captions or text workspace so you see the tools you need. Make sure your audio is clean. Auto-transcribe works best with clear speech. Now, choose Sequence Captions or use the text panel to begin transcription. This gets you directly into generating subtitles without extra setup, saving time and keeping everything in one timeline. You'll run auto-transcribe from the text panel, hit Create Transcription, pick the language and which audio tracks to analyze, then start. Once complete, scan the transcript and correct misheard words. This is faster than typing full captions. Use speaker labels and split long lines for readability. Next, convert to captions so they sit on the timeline as caption clips. Make sure to choose Open Captions if you want precise styling, or prepare SRT export for platforms that accept it. You finish by styling and exporting. Open Essential Graphics to set font, size, color, and safe margins so subtitles are readable across devices. Once styled, decide Export. Burn in for platforms without caption support, separate SRT for uploads, or embed captions in the MP4. If captions drift or timings are off, scrub the timeline and drag caption clip edges to fine-tune. If many errors persist, rerun transcription after reducing background noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.